Hello, and thank you all for coming to this meeting about ethical professional practice. Let's start by going over the principles. The principles are honesty, fairness, objectivity, and responsibility. All of you are to follow these principles and push your fellow coworkers to do the same. Martha, Charles, Jones, and Mango, I believe you have the 4 standards that will guide this practice. Thanks, Claire. The first standard is competence. This includes 1. Continuing to learn about the job at hand and develop skills for the job. 2. Keep to the laws and directions given to you. 3. If you're the one giving directions, do so in a timely manner and explain it clearly. And lastly, 4. Don't be hasty, talk to everyone involved, and know the limits and rules of your job before attempting a task. Charles? The second standard is confidentiality. Each employee needs to keep information to themselves unless they have been given the okay to talk about it. 2. Keep all the people involved if you're going to share their information, and make sure your employees don't spread that information without your instruction. 3. Don't use private information with bad intentions. Jones.
Thanks, dude. The third standard is integrity. 1. Recognize if there's going to be a problem. Talk to people to avoid the problem, and tell people if there's going to be a problem. 2. Don't be judgmental. It can make you do your job unfairly. And lastly, 3. Don't make dumb choices that could reflect onto others. Alright, Mango, your turn.
Thanks, Jones. The final standard is credibility. 1. When you talk to people, make sure it's true and open-minded. 2. When giving people reports or information, make sure you tell them everything they need to know. And finally, follow the rules and tell people if there's going to be a problem with the information being correct or on time. Thanks, team. Now, it may be hard to spot a problem, but if you do see one, you should check your company's rules on how to fix different problems. If you still have a problem, try these things. Talk to your boss. Unless they are part of the problem, then go to their boss. But if your boss doesn't have a boss, see if there's a group at your company that you can talk to about the issue. But don't talk about this problem with people outside of work unless a law is being broken. Another thing you could do is ask a counselor at your company to help you with the issue. And you could also talk to a lawyer to know how the law affects your problem. Thank you again for coming to this meeting, and see you around the office.